Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Want to save your Snapchat photos and videos directly to your phone? Today I'll show you how to store memories on your camera roll in just a few taps. Step 1. Open Snapchat profile. Open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner. This will bring you to your account settings and personal options. Step 2. Open Settings. Tap the Settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to access all your app preferences. Step 3. Access Memories. Select My Apps, then tap Memories. Here you can customize where your photos and videos are saved. Before we dive further, hit that subscribe button to stay ahead with the latest tech tips and tricks. Step 4. Choose Save Location. Tap the Save button, then select either Memories and Camera Roll or Camera Roll only. This ensures your snaps are stored exactly where you want them. Step 5. Save Photos and Videos. Now, whenever you tap the Save button at the bottom of the camera window after taking a snap, it will automatically save to your chosen location. This makes keeping your favorite memories fast and easy. And that's it. Now you know how to save photos and videos from Snapchat directly to your phone. Keep all your memories secure and easily accessible. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more practical step-by-step tech tutorials every day.